Want to make your own website, but don't know how to? Ready to build your own website but don't know where to start? This ultimate guide to website building secrets for beginners has all the information you need to get started. Here are 11 website building secrets every web designer should know. Understand the target audience and design your website accordingly. Understanding your target audience is a crucial step in building a successful website. Without knowing who your audience is, you won't be able to design a website that resonates with them. You need to know their age, interests, and preferences to create a user-friendly website that meets their needs. Choose the right platform. Choosing the right website building platform is not just about creating a beautiful website. It's about having a successful online presence that can attract and retain customers. The right platform should offer you everything you need to create an engaging and user-friendly website. So, when it comes to selecting one, take your time to consider some crucial factors. Keep it simple. Simple is the key when it comes to building a website. In fact, less is always more in web design. Why? Because a cluttered website can be overwhelming for visitors and ultimately drive them away. By keeping your website design clean and straightforward, you can create a better user experience that will keep visitors engaged. Optimize for mobile. Website building secrets. Use responsive design and test your website on different devices to ensure a seamless user experience. Use high-quality images. When it comes to website building secrets, one thing that often gets overlooked is the importance of high-quality images. While most people focus on the layout, font choices, and color schemes of their website design, images are just as crucial in creating a professional look and feel. Whether you're selling products or offering services, having top-notch visuals can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention. Pay attention to typography. Typography is a crucial element of your website's overall design. The right choice of fonts can make or break the readability and visual appeal of your website. When it comes to website building secrets, choosing the right typography can play a big role in creating an engaging user experience. Focus on user experience. The user experience should be at the forefront of your website building strategy. Ensure your website is easy to navigate, with clear calls to action and intuitive design. Optimize for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial to ensuring that your website is visible to potential visitors. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and other SEO tactics to improve your website's ranking on search engines. Test and iterate. Testing and iterating your website is an ongoing process. When it comes to building a website, there are no secrets to creating the perfect site. It's an ongoing process of trial and error, testing different elements and making changes accordingly. This is why testing and iterating your website is crucial to its success. Incorporate social media. Are you waiting to drive traffic to your website? Social media can be the answer. With over 3.5 billion social media users worldwide, it's no surprise that social media has become a powerful tool for businesses looking to increase their online presence. Don't forget about security. Website security is essential to protecting your website and your visitors' information. Use SSL certificates, strong passwords, and other security measures to keep your website safe. A website builder is an online tool that allows you to easily build a website from scratch. With a website builder, you can create a website without having to know HTML code. You can start building your website today.